Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add filters to your photos and videos on the Unfold application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on the projects button down below, which is the second option. After that, select the picture that you want to edit and tap on it. Click on the edit button down below. Tap on filters, which is the first section, and here if you slide to the right side of the screen, you are going to see all of the available effects. Select the relevant one that suits your preferences, and here you can also edit it by using this scale down below. So you can adjust the filter, and after that tap on the check mark icon, and now as you can see the filter has been applied to your picture. So if you click on this arrow in the upper left corner of the screen, you are going to find the edited picture in your projects section. That's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.